come on. You know, this will take 6 days to cut. Well, the concept of the forge press dies to make draw knives with, I think it's going to work out all right. Obviously, I need some practice with it. It's pretty ugly right now, but it's going to take a lot of practice. Now, some things I think I'm going to have to do for sure, round off those edges a little bit so as I'm pulling the pieces back, they're not catching, and then I'm losing heat the whole time. But all in all, it actually kind of worked the way I wanted. Now, the hole I drilled in there to make the reins with, that's not going to work very well. I think that's a bad idea. I'm going to scrap it. I'll chamfer all the edges really well on that as well, try to make it useful for something. But the middle section works just fine for drying out and whatnot. So what I was going for here was an all-in-one set of dies to make an entire draw knife start to finish, or at least get it roughed out. Now, doesn't matter what you do, there's going to be a lot of grinding and finish work, which I honestly don't mind that. I actually enjoy being on the grinder. I know some people absolutely hate it, but I'm always getting better at it, always trying to get better at it. So those are the skills that I need to improve as I go and as we get into production mode. But it's one of those things, guys. I'm new enough at it to where you guys are going to get to watch me learn this on screen, just like you've gotten to watch me learn how to do a lot of things on screen. And we've talked about that a lot over the years, where a lot of times when I'm trying something out on this channel, I'm brand new to it. It's not like I was born with a hammer in my hand and born at an anvil. That's for sure. I've messed around with it, you know, I've dabbled in it here and there. I've gotten more serious about it over the last few years. And now that we have a nice workspace in here, I'm very serious about it. So next time out, we're going to keep going on that draw knife. We're going to break some stock down, things like that. We still have to get the overhead rail in, and I'm kind of procrastinating on it because I'm actually going to be going to the maker's camp here pretty soon, and I want to have something to bring there for the maker's swap, which is kind of a neat thing. So we'll get into that as we move along. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the next one.